What is up, YouTube? This is Jolo2TV back with more for you to see. And today, man, as you guys can see from the beginning clips, I got injured playing basketball. I sprained it pretty bad. Somebody actually stomped on it when I went to go for a layup, and it is not feeling too hot right now. But that's not what this video is about. Let's go ahead and get right into what the basis of this video is. The Yeezy 500s and the utility black colorway. The sexiest 500 colorway that there is so far. Bam! Let's go ahead and do an unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing in forever because Ross has taken that away from me. Anyways, let's go ahead and get right into it. Oh my gosh, I'm so hyped. Yeezy 500, let's get it, boy. Oh my gosh, this right here is my sweat. I think that honestly, this has to be my favorite Yeezy 500 so far. And as some of you guys know, some of my subscribers may know, I am a huge fan of the Yeezy 500s. I got the blushes, but I didn't get the Super Moon Yellow. I just might be able to. One thing that I really love about the Yeezy 500 is the fact that they utilize so many different materials. You know, they got the mesh, they got the suede, leather, rubber. And then they use this very creative sole, which is probably my favorite part about the entire sneaker. If we go ahead and start over here on the side, you can see the mesh and the suede really intertwining between the two. The eyelids of the sneaker has these suede patches, and all throughout the suede over here on this side is very thick. It's almost like a rug, to be honest. And the mesh opening is to allow it to breathe. And then going around to the front, there's like a shag suede. Again, it's almost like a carpet right here on the front. And then right here on the tongue of the sneaker, I always said that this was like kind of a throwback to Kobe's sneaker, because ultimately this was a remix of one of Kobe's signature sneakers when he was with Adidas. But I think that right here on the tongue, there's like almost an 8 right there. I honestly think that that's kind of paying homage or like showing respect to Kobe. Because the sole of this entire sneaker came from one of the original Adidas Kobe collabs, so I think that that was pretty cool. Maybe that is, maybe that isn't really the reference to it, because I would imagine so, because Kanye is a huge fan of Kobe. And then you go ahead and move on to the inside of the sneaker. Right here, it's going to be the same thing, where it has the mesh openings, the eyelids with the suede on it, and the suede continues through here. As you can see right here down near the sole, there's actually some light suede, kind of leather feel. And then on the bottom layer of that is going to be the actual rubber going to the sneaker. And then you have the Adidas Preen outsole, which I think is probably the sickest portion of the sneaker. This right here, because of the wavy kind of features, looks really dope, and I think that that's really what sets the sneaker off, on top of all the mixed materials that they have. Now on the inside of the sneaker, we actually have the Adidas Sports logo, we have Yeezy, and then Ortho Light. Now Ortho Light actually has these like different grooves, and I'm gonna guess that all these colors right here is to show like a pressure point on the foot. Overall, I think that this is a really dope shoe, and this has to be one of my favorite sneakers of the entire year so far. Ultimately, guys, if you guys can pick this up for retail, or if you can actually pick it up for a little bit over resale, I would definitely recommend it. The comfort on these are pretty decent. Size wise, I would say go true to size, but if you really want some comfort, go ahead and go a half size up. Thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and please be sure to share. As you guys know, we have some more Yeezys coming out for the rest of the year, and you already know your boy's gonna be picking some of them up. Jolo2TV out.